Hi, I'm Alex Linego Sarangani, CHP and today I'm going to present motherboard in its parts. This is the CPU socket. It holds the microprocessor, also known as the CPU. This is the north bridge and this one is the south bridge. North bridge. The north bridge typically handles communications among the CPU, RAM, BIOS, ROM, and PCI Express. South bridge. The south bridge can usually be distinguished from the north bridge by not being directly connected to the CPU. This is the memory slot, AGP slot, and PCI slot. These are we call the expansion slot. Expansion slot have role of letting you install additional components to enhance or expand the functionality of PC. Power connectors, commonly a 20 or 24 pin connector, can this online course. IDE and SATA ports, used to provide connectivity for the storage device and optical drives. And this is what we call the back panel ports. This is what we call the PS2 ports. It connects the mouse and keyboard. Green for mouse and violet for keyboard. This is the USB port and the LAN port, audio port. That's all. Thank you.